Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to change language on Acer. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here what you need to do is that on the down you will be able to see the start button. Just move on the start button. When you move on it, here is the setting option. So here you have to click in this page on the setting. Okay, when you move on this setting, here what you need to do is that on the down on the left side you will be able to see the time and language. Okay, on the left side just click on the time and language. So when you move on the time and language, the second option here on the right side you will be able to see the language and region. Okay, so move on the language and region. After you have been moved on it, here on the right side again you will be able to see the add language option. So move on the add a language. Okay, so from here you will be able to select the languages. Okay, if you want to select the English you can select, if you want to select the Hindi you can select, and if you want to select the Chinese you can select, Arabian you can select many languages. Okay, so English also there is many English. Okay, you can see it says United Arab, okay, Singapore English, which one you want to, you can select from here. Okay, so if you want to set languages, what you need to do is that from here I'll show you. France, you can select the language, many language are here. Okay, there are many language, two three. Okay, so from here you want to add this language, from here you want to use. Okay, suppose I want to select the English, English of the from here new, no, Singapore. Okay, so I select the English Singapore. After that on the down you will be able to see the next option. So here just click on the next. Okay, just move just you just need to click on the next here. Okay, after you have been click on the next, wait, it's something wrong. Wait, it's not this page. Just click on the next, then here you will be able to see the install option here. Okay, just click on install. Here you will be able to see this English Singapore, because I have finished to add. Okay, and if you want to remove this language you can remove also. You just need to click on this three line dot. Okay, this dot three line, just move on it, then click on the remove option here, click on remove, and this language will be removed successfully. You can remove it like this. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.